This hoodie has grippies inside of the kangaroo pouch. Yes, this is the Cloud9 stress ball hoodie, specifically made with stress balls in the cuffs of the hoodie and grippy fidgets inside of the kangaroo pouch. This hoodie is specifically made for those who need sensory-friendly clothing because they have ADHD, anxiety, social anxiety, fidgeting, etc. to cope discreetly in public. I seriously cannot take this off because it's perfectly oversized around the neck and underneath the arms. The sweatpants fit like a glove, and it's like the perfect thing to wear during those like cold spring days. The hood hoods, and the colors are so cute. This is the teal one. If you're someone in 2026 who wants to calm down and get their fidgets out discreetly without anybody knowing, this hoodie is for you.